Well guys, I'm showing you a dumpster. And I'm showing you a microwave that we beat the crap out of it, trying to get it out of the RV. Didn't film it. So this morning I thought, well, I want to show some guys. You see these little holes right here? Well, we couldn't figure out what was holding this thing in. It had some rods in the back, and them little screws right there, which we had to tear the front of that thing off because we didn't have the proper tool to get to them little screws. That held it in, along with these rods. Then it goes from the bottom. They go all the way up into the back of that. I'll show you a picture of that also. But I want to tell you that because somebody else taking this, it's a Sharp, I think 1750 or 1780 or something like that. I'll get my number for you. Out. I want to save you a little problems. We worked on that all along, and all it was those little screws right there, and these long ones go right through the back, and we could have just pulled that thing right out. It don't work anymore anyway, so we wasn't worried about destroying it. But these little rods go up to the bottom, about like that on an angle. This is the front down here. Go right up in there and screw into a backing plate. You pull these little rods out, unscrew them little screws, and they'll come right out once you unplug it. Well, here's the background the back plate I was talking to you about. Let's see if we can set that right there. There we go. That's the way it sits. We bent this down. This is usually going to be curved up, going to be right into the studs, I'm pretty sure, with these big ones here. I bet that was into the studs of your RV wall. This is up. Now, them long rods I just showed you, they screw in from way down here and they screw up to here. Now, Charlie's not going to use this one again. He's just going to build his own cabinet for it. But if you're trying to take yours off, that's how you do it. You pull them long rods out. Look underneath here. They may be covered up even, but there'll be some long rods there. What year is your RV?
97. That's a 97.
And what make?
Ford Travel.
Ford Travel?
Ford Travel.
Ford Travel, 1997.
U270. U270.
U270. And this was I think a 1850?
Yeah, I think it was. 51
model 1850.
Sharp.
So if you're going to tear it apart, we're just trying to help you out here. We're throwing all this away. We didn't film it taking it apart. We started thinking it's such a bitch. We were all working on it. Then we just threw it away and didn't take a video. But I'm putting this together for you right now to help you guys out. Remember, there's little screws there. This is your black back plate. Long rods go in there. Take them out. Take the little screws out I showed you right here. You can see the little screw holes in it. They go up in to the top of your cabinet, and then it'll come right out then, huh?
Yeah, it'll jump out.
Yeah. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Sorry I didn't do a better video, but you get the idea, I hope.